Hey folks, welcome to yet another informative video from Simplilearn. Imagine you're a pet lover who wants to start your own pet care business. But as soon as you lay the groundwork for your business, you realize that being a pet lover is not enough. You need assistance in understanding the pet care market to develop a solid business plan. Without a clear understanding of the market demand, competition, and customer preferences, you may struggle to differentiate your services and attract customers. However, with the help of data-driven insights such as market research and customer demographics, you can make informed decisions about business strategy, pricing, and marketing efforts for your pet care business. This is where the importance of business knowledge comes into play. Understanding industry trends, consumer behavior, and operational requirements is essential to building a successful pet care business. Now, business analysts are the individuals who combine both data knowledge and business knowledge to drive insights and come to conclusions. Hence, business analysts help businesses make better decisions by studying information and figuring out how to improve processes and outcomes. In this video, we will discuss the CBAP certification, which shows that a business analyst is really good at understanding what a business needs and finding good solutions. We'll talk about everything you need to know about this certification, like what you have to do to get it, why it's helpful for your career, and more.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simplilearn has your back.
But before that, if you're interested in a career as a business analyst, start your career growth journey with a postgraduate program in business analysis from Simplilearn. Learn how to solve tough business problems using popular tools and advanced AI like ChatGPT and Google Bard. Get expert guidance with masterclasses from Purdue University. For more information, check out the course link in the description box and pinned comments. So, no more waiting. Let's get started. So, what is CBAP certification? CBAP actually stands for Certified Business Analysis Professional, provided by IIBA or International Institute of Business Analysis. It is basically a professional certification for people having ample experience in the field of business analysis. And once you're certified as a CBAP, you will be considered as a leading or senior member in the BA community. So, how does CBAP stand out and what are its benefits? You exhibit the expertise, skills, and experience necessary to excel as a proficient business analysis professional. You can distinguish yourself to employers and colleagues by demonstrating your commitment to your career and the field of business analysis. Professionals with CBAP certification tend to command higher payment, enjoying up to a 13% increase in earnings compared to their non-certified counterparts. Now, is CBAP worth all its hype? Through research, we could find that approximately 20% of job descriptions mention CBAP as a requirement for business analyst openings for experienced candidates. We know it's a small number right now, but in the coming years, it is going to increase, and also these global certifications will be an upper hand for you as the job market is getting more competitive. And people who are certified mention that they are more confident at work because the CBAP exam is based on BABOK, which is the Business Analysis Body of Knowledge, which is the worldwide recognized standard for business analysis. We will discuss about BABOK later in this video. The certification has also helped them in getting promotions and salary hikes. It has helped them in networking with other BA professionals, and it has given them international recognition. Now, let's see the eligibility criteria to acquire the CBAP. According to the guidelines, the candidate appearing for this certification must complete a minimum of 7,500 hours of business analysis work experience in the last 10 years. And within this 7,500 hours, a minimum of 900 hours completed in 4 of the 6 BABOK guide knowledge areas. The candidate must complete a minimum of 35 hours of professional development in the last 4 years. Now, you must be wondering what's professional development. It is nothing but formal education, webinars, workshops, trainings, self-learnings, etc. The candidate must also provide 2 references, must follow the code of conduct, terms and conditions, and of course, pass the exam. So as we said, CBAP is based on BABOK. Now what is BABOK? The word BABOK, which stands for Business Analysis Body of Knowledge, is like the ultimate handbook for mastering business analysis. It's designed to show what skills and knowledge an experienced pro should have in this field, and the CBAP exam is completely based on this guide. Basically, BABOK has 6 knowledge areas which are Business Analysis Planning and Monitoring or BAPM, Elicitation and Collaboration, Management of the Requirements Lifecycle, Strategy Evaluation, Analysis of Requirements and Design, and Evaluation of the Solution. Now, what's the format of the CBAP exam? It is a computer-based exam which can either be taken through online proctor format or at a PSI center. The exam consists of 120 multiple choice questions which must be completed within 3.5 hours. As already mentioned, the questions will be from the BABOK guide and you can expect both scenario and case study based questions. Now coming to the passing score, there is no specific score published by IIBA. It is competency-based score and depends on the fellow candidates' performance. But try to maintain an 80% score to be on a safer side. Now, having known all this, how do you prepare for the certification? You need to really dive into the BABOK guide. And many institutes offer specialized training for CBAP certification. Plus, TCA is an official education provider endorsed by IIBA, offering a comprehensive CBAP preparation course. Also take numerous practice exams and go through the sample questions available on the IIBA official website. Now let's see how much does a CBAP certification cost. At first, you have to pay an application fee of $145 which is non-refundable and non-transferable. Then comes the exam fee, which depends on your membership. For an IIBA member, the fee is $350. For a non-member, it is $505 and for a corporate member, it is $305. Now, if you don't pass the exam in the first attempt, you can rewrite the exam by paying a fee of $295 for IIBA members and $450 for non-members. You have 3 attempts within 1 year from the start of the application approval date. But if you fail the 3rd attempt, you have to wait 1 year to apply again. Now, the validity period of CBAP certification is 3 years and you are required to recertify after every 3 years, for which you need 60 CDUs. You will have a grace period of 1 year to recertify. The recertification fee for IIBA members is $85 and for non-members it is $120. So there you have it. We have covered everything you need to know about the CBAP certification. Whether you are aiming to boost your earning potential or enhance your skills, CBAP certification could be the next step for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for future videos packed with tips and insights to support your professional growth. Until next time, happy analyzing.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.